What is AWS IAM? Identity and Access Management. IAM helps you securely control access to AWS resources, and provide control of using AWS resources to authenticated, signed-in, users. Authorized, having permissions, users. Each user can have own password for access to the AWS Management Console. Individual access key to make programmatic requests to work with AWS resources. Authorization, permissions for users granted through policies. Policies, JSON documents stored in AWS, that control what actions an entity can perform, on which resources, and under what conditions. IAM groups, collection of IAM users that let you specify permissions for multiple users. IAM role. A unique identity, that is intended to be assumable by anyone who needs it. It does not have standard long-term credentials. It provides you with temporary security credentials for your role session. Used to delegate access to IAM users, applications, or AWS services. Common scenarios for roles. An IAM user in a different AWS account. A web service offered by AWS such as EC2, Lambda. Web Identity Federation. Users of your app can sign in using an external identity provider, such as Amazon, Facebook, Google. Hybrid environment, that is non-AWS account holders needing AWS access, using SAML, or OpenID Connect. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links. Thank you.